Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Building a Linux kernel from scratch, a comprehensive tutorial. This tutorial will guide you through the process of building a custom Linux kernel from scratch. We'll cover everything from obtaining the source code, configuring it, compiling it, installing it, and setting up a bootloader to load your new kernel. This is a complex process, so be prepared to dedicate some time and effort. Disclaimer: building a kernel from scratch is an advanced task. It requires a good understanding of Linux, the command line, and system administration. Mistakes can lead to a non-bootable system. It's highly recommended to practice this in a virtual machine, example VirtualBox, VMware, or on a test machine before attempting it on your primary system. Backups are your best friend. Prerequisites **** a Linux system ***. This tutorial assumes you're working within a Linux environment. Most distributions will work fine: Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, Arch, etc. ***root access ***. You'll need root privileges, using sudo or logging in as root, to install kernel modules and modify bootloader configurations. ***. Essential